The 6000 milliampere hour cordless pressure washer offers the ultimate convenience with its battery-powered design, freeing you from the hassle of tangled power cords. Weighing only 4 pounds, this lightweight and portable washer is easy to carry, making it ideal for women and senior citizens to handle various cleaning tasks effortlessly. Equipped with a powerful 652 pounds per square inch motor, the washer delivers strong performance while ensuring your surfaces are cleaned effectively without any damage. The innovative 6-in-1 nozzle allows you to switch easily between different cleaning modes, providing optimal results for various surfaces like cars, windows, and patios. With its rechargeable 3000 milliampere hour lithium battery, you can enjoy up to 35 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning, and the digital display helps you monitor the battery life efficiently. This versatile washer also features a 17-foot hose with a filter basket, enabling you to draw water from natural sources like rivers and lakes without worrying about impurities.